stop paying to repair your transformer. So the truth be say it don't become culture. Say if transformer spoil for street or for community, now the community people, the street people, they contribute money, go repair this transformer. But now discourse now don't come talk say if your transformer spoil, say no be your duty as a customer to repair step transformer. Say them wey get the transformer, they go use their hand come repair their transformer. So say your own duty as a customer, if the thing spoil, just inform them say your transformer don spoil, they go come carry am or they go come there come repair am. Like you should not contribute money to give to anybody. Now let's take for example say MTN mask get problem. You don't ever see where people contribute money to go repair MTN mask or Glo or any of these telecommunication giants. Na dem dey use their hand go repair their thing. But when it comes to NEPA, hey, if una no pay money to repair am, una fit dey 20 years, una no go get light. At times, even when you contribute this money, they go tell you say, oh, say they no fit repair am here. Say they go need to carry am go their headquarter. E fit dey there 3 years, that transformer never come back. The way una put pressure, they go tell you say no be only una own o, say they get people wey their own still dey before una own come. Say those people never even finish their own. And when they finish their own, now go do una own. But when una pay that money, they go now abandon other people own, do una own, so that una go get light on time. So me, I don't know how possible this news go dey o. I don't know. But then if we do am like this, which is the normal way we suppose do am, that is the best thing now. At times, people they will contribute up to 10,000 naira, depending on how the community or the street be like. And they tell you the gospel truth. Because me, I don't pay. I don't pay tire, so no be new thing to me. So let's hope that they will keep to this. It's a kind of relief. I don't know about you, but for me, I think it's a normal thing. So what do you think?